cap 3 times in a row. No cap. What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Lotin Putty. Hey, we back with another lit video. I said we back with another lit video, my nigga. So today we're gonna play basketball, you feel me? Every nigga will be shooting at that shit, you feel me? Every nigga will be shooting at that shit right now. So the rules goes like this, my nigga. Yeah, I'm back again, and the rules goes like this. The first one to shoot all 3 points get 1 free throw. The second rule is this: if a player score two shots and misses one, has to go down and hit 15 push-ups, no cap. And if a player score one point out of all the 3 shots that he gets, has to like go down again and give us 30 push-ups, no cap on this one. And the loser has to call a stranger with a silly name. I have 3 names for these niggas, you feel me? The first name is Bonehead. The second name is Crackhead. The third name is Poop Lover, no cap. So don't forget to subscribe, smash the like button, comment below the comment section.
Yo, it's your man Tusky. We here in this basketball channel with my main man Luxy.
This is for the Insta guys.
Right, man. Yes, sir. Oh, you got 2 shots left, man. No cap. Oh, take your time. This is your last shot, my nigga. Oh, that's 30 push. Yeah, man. As you're ready for your push-ups, no cap. 1, everybody count with me. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 1. My nigga, that's it. Hit the range, no cap. My nigga, Fit did it.
Man.
Let's see who's the fucking weakest nigga in this game, no cap. Stay tuned, you feel me? Stay tuned, no cap.
It's your nigga once again, young boy Smooth from Mufftown, West Side, Atlanta. I'm here to win you. Yeah, feel me? Yeah.
Really, nigga?
Oh, you got 2 shots left, no cap, my nigga. Take your time, be patient, no cap. Oh, Spudalu Dawantwana, no cap, no cap. Bruh. Oh, damn, son. Bruh, we're waiting for the push-ups. Hit them. No, go ahead, no. Come on, stop playing. Hit them. Yeah, 3. Not 3. 30. Come on, bro. You got 3 shots, 30 push-ups to make.
What?
You finna hit 30. Yes. He got 3. No.
Really, nigga?
Stupid. No cap.
Oh, man.
YouTube, this is your boy Gamza RSA. I'm here to win.
Yeah, it's you, it's enough.
He's here for real, no cap. So another contestant, another player, no cap. Who's next, my nigga? No cap. We here with the drip. We here to win. We here to make a lot of things. No cap. We here to fucking leave. No cap. No cap. No cap. Big boy. We've been waking all day. You got 3 shots, my nigga. No cap. 2 shots left.
Really, nigga?
Ooh. Last shot, my nigga. Bruh, stop playing. Irato, majo, like no cap. Ooh, he got how many 2 shots left, nigga, no cap. Stop playing. Ooh, yeah, nigga got 1, no cap. Woo! No.
No.
Yeah, you got one last shot, bruh.
You left it 1 shot.
Ooh, stop playing, no cap. Now you gotta give us how many push-ups? 30. No caps, 30 push-ups, bruh. No cap. Niggas be crying like babies. This game is so difficult. Niggas be crying like babies. No cap. Yeah, okay, better 30, like no cap. Come on, stop playing. Hear it, son. Count with me. Everybody on YouTube, count with me.
1, 2, 3, let's go.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10,
11, 12,
13,
14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, last 10. 1, 2, 3,
Ooh, nigga going hard, no cap.
6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Last
Yes, sir. No cap. Stop playing.
You stupid.
No cap. Smash the like button, I'm finna win. No cap. Fuck, man. No cap. Last shot, man. 50 push-ups. Let me show you with them. No cap. No cap.
Really, nigga? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, Really, nigga? 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Bonus 1. Yeah, man, no cap.
Smash the like button.
No
I'm
cap,
on
man. No cap, bro.
No cap.
Ooh.
No cap. We got 2 shots left, man. So use them wisely, cause we didn't. We far too stupid. Stupid. We got 1, no cap. Bruh. Yeah, now you finna hit 30 push-ups.
30
my nigga.
push-ups,
30
bruh.
push-ups, no cap.
30 push-ups,
30
bro.
push-ups. If you ever scored 2, maybe not a better 15, but 30 push-ups. Hit him. Push-ups.
Color your dogs,
1,
hot foe. Me and
3,
my dogs, we hot foe.
5,
A lot of rags in my throats.
7,
We out
8,
your whack in
9,
my house.
10,
Color your dogs, hot foe. Me and my dogs, we hot foe. A lot of rags in my throats. We out your whack in my house.
20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. Ooh, the nigga just hit 25, nigga.
What about the last 5, bro?
The last one, bro.
The last 5, man.
For the vlog. If
The
you wanna
last-
see the nigga hit the last 5, smash the like button now, please. I see you. You ain't smashing the like button. He ain't gonna do them. That's it. Keep on smashing the like button.
Yeah.
Only 5, my nigga. 5.
Really, nigga?
1, 2, 3, 4,
Last one for subscribers.
and subscribe. No cap.
What's good, YouTube? This is your boy Kamza RSA. We're here to win. We're back with another late video.
You got 3 shots, my nigga. No cap. 2 shots left. Ooh. Last shot, my nigga. Gotta give us 30 push-ups, no cap.
No, not 30 push-ups.
How many?
We're gonna give
30, bruh. He missed
gotta be
all the
kidding me.
shots.
yeah, a stranger.
What the fuck?
Yeah, he will. The loser does that. The loser.
Well,
So if we got 2 losers, they have to compete at the end, so there could be 1 loser.
feel
No
like-
cap. So, hey, bruh, hit them, bruh, no cap. Yeah. 1. Bruh, what the fuck, bruh? Stop playing, bruh. Be serious, bruh. 30. 1, 2. Bruh.
Go.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Bruh, the nigga failed, no cap. Bruh, comment below the comment section. What do you think about this nigga failing to hit 30 push-ups, bruh? Right now we're here with my nigga, so they're gonna choose between these 3 names I got here for them. So the first name is Crackhead, the second name is Bonehead, the third name is Poop Love. So you gotta choose between those 3 names. Which one you gonna use? Bruh, stop playing. I'm gonna choose Poop Lava and then Crackhead. That means you bonehead type shit. No cap. Stay tuned. Smash the like button, cause right now we finna get beaten. You feel me? We're gonna can talk to strangers and they're gonna beat us, cause these names right here, they're stupid as. So we're gonna call these the strangers with these names.
Hang on, gang shit.
Really, nigga?
No cap.
The nigga's crazy.
No
man.
cap.
The nigga's crazy. Yeah.
Away. And now what we're gonna do is this. My nigga Phineas scored 1. My nigga Njab scored 1, 2. And then my nigga here scored 1. Me 0. This nigga Kamo 0. Swu he got 0. So we have to compete against each other just to make sure that we have a final winner and then we have a final loser. So we're gonna continue watching the video. Don't forget to smash the like button for me, please. Subscribe if you're new to the channel. Bakosh playing games. Blue line, no cap. Oh, Swu, you hit that shit, bruh. Stop playing. Shoot up.
Shoot the shit.
Shoot. Shoot. Look at the niggas cheering. Come on, bruh. Stop playing. Shoot up. Hey, bruh, every West condition makes a champion. Shoot. That's a challenge. Shoot. Shoot the devil, when a man.
Shoot the devil.
Shoot the devil. Shoot. Woo! Stupid. Oh, my nigga. Yeah, after the like button, smash the like button, no promo, no cap.
Eu torno un piso.
Stupid. So, bruh, right now what we gonna do? All 3 of us we have lost. So the thing is, we're gonna call every stranger that we meet. Each of us gonna call a stranger with the 3 silly names. So we get to choose those names. I'm gonna ask these niggas which name they choose between these 3 names. Between these 3 names. So don't forget to smash the like button. Comment below the comment section. What do you think is gonna happen next? Bakosh playing games. Don't forget to smash the like button. Right now I'm gonna do the silly name thing. Stay watching, stay tuned. So really the quarter, he got some right in front of him.
It's metal.
What's good, YouTube? This is your boy Kamza RSA. Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Yeah,
Yo, Crackhead.
No cap! My niggas who disappointed me, so he couldn't do the last day, my nigga. Nigga, that's how it is, you feel me?
Oh, put it
The nigga is missing some snacks, no cap. But don't forget to like, smash the like button. comment below the comment section, and if you're new to the channel, subscribe. No cap, Backwards playing games. It's the end of the video, guys. I don't like this time, but the video has to end. Thanks for watching. Make sure you share the video, subscribe, smash the like button. You feel me? Backwards playing games. She a thug. Queen but she a thug, she a thug. Cheating life, she a thug, she a thug. Oh, thug, thug. Artful, gotta stay sane. Hit the gas, get the racks. Mama told me bring it home, boy, don't relax. Pour a glass, Artful, I'm the best. Ex crush, question on me, how come she my ex? Hometown, she a thug, she a thug. Queen but she a thug, she a thug. Cheating life, she a thug, she a thug. Shorty wanna get married but still be a thug. Brown eyes, slim waist, big thighs, no surprise, she a thug. Throwing gang signs like she does. She a beautiful crime in a must. Sure I got your back like spinal cord, and I hope you got mine like I got yours. Time travel so fast, man, I got lost. Stop playing with me, press pause. Shawty, I'm a dog, and my love is a plug. Straight from the mud, yes, we got it like that. I guess with the glue, I stick it all up.